Breaking news coming in from Maharashtra now. NIA sources are telling your channel that Vinayak Shinde, who is an accomplice or close aide of Sachin Vaze, also now under arrest by the NIA. His location was traced near Antilla on the 23rd and the 24th of February. Siddhant is with us for more on this. Siddhant, the NIA is now trying to piece together this entire mystery of who all were present when that explosive-laden car was abandoned near Antilla that happened on the 25th of February. 2 days before that, one of the suspects in the case was traced back to that location.
That's correct. That's absolutely correct, Poonam. The location of Vinayak Shinde has been established close to Antilla on 23rd and 24th of February. Now, agency is telling me there could be a possibility that Sachin Vaze sent somebody else to park a Scorpio vehicle outside Antilla, and he himself went to Antilla after 1 hour to keep the letter inside the Scorpio car. Now the Innova's number plate was changed twice. This is what we have been told. Once Innova went there to pick to pick the man who parked the vehicle outside Antilla. Then Innova went back to Thane. The number plate was changed, and after 1 hour, it again came to Antilla to drop the letter. And this time, it was Mr. Sachin Vaze himself inside that Innova car, and he came wearing that large kurta and a topi to hide his identity, and he kept the letter. So there could be a possibility that there is somebody else who parked the vehicle outside Antilla. And NIA is probing this angle. That person could be Vinayak Shinde also, or somebody else as well. So
Right.
that particular angle NIA is probing. But the fact is that it was Sachin Vaze who went and kept threat letter for Mr. Ambani inside the Scorpio after 1 hour of the Scorpio getting parked outside Antilla. Back to you.
Right, do stay with us because this investigation into Sachin Vaze and his role has triggered a big political fight. Let's listen in to some of those reactions coming in.
सचिन बाजे को लेकर
देखो
लाइव
मैं उसके बारे में नहीं बात कर सकता हूँ। देखिए, एक जांच चल रही है, NIA की जांच है, मैटर कोर्ट में चल रहा है, और मुझे जो बात मालूम नहीं, जो अखबार में आती है या मीडिया में है, उसके ऊपर में बात करना ठीक नहीं है।
रिपोर्ट में स्पष्ट है कि जो रिपोर्ट कह रही थी कि अधिकारियों के तबादले के लिए पैसे लिए गए, उस कालावधि में 10 लोगों के ट्रांसफर किए गए और जो भी नाम थे वो उसमें कहीं ट्रांसफर नहीं हुए। लेकिन सबसे गंभीर बात यह है कि पूरा जो फोन टैपिंग का मामला था वो इलीगल था। देश को, राज्य को धोखा है इसलिए कुछ परमिशन ली गई और अलग कामों के लिए ये फोन टैपिंग हो रही थी। निश्चित रूप से उसी समय उन पे कार्रवाई की शुरुआत हुई। तब उन्होंने अपने पारिवारिक, पति का कारण, बच्चों का कारण देके कहीं न कहीं माफी मांगी थी। रिपोर्ट वापस दे दो कह रही थी, लेकिन वो रिपोर्ट वापस नहीं दी गई। निश्चित रूप से गंभीर आरोप उन पे है और आने वाले दिनों में निश्चित रूप से उस जो रिपोर्ट CS साहब ने दी है उसकी जांच होगी, उसके बाद उचित कार्रवाई की जाएगी।